What if there was a way to possess valuable information on average cleaning times for both individual tasks as well as bundled processes? How long should it take your cleaning team to accomplish their work, what they're tasked to do? And when estimating and bidding, as a building service contractor, wouldn't it be nice to know how long a job might take so your bid can be competitive and you land more jobs? There is a way to do all of this. And to discuss this, I'm pleased to welcome Branton Sarrow, the ISSA Chief Global Education Officer. I understand you have something to share, some big news. You're excited. It kept you awake many nights just preparing for all this, didn't it?
Jeff, I got to tell you, I almost got into a car accident yesterday, and I had my phone out. I was trying to FaceTime marketing and share this really cool thing, and I realized, you know what? There's no better way to do it. I shouldn't FaceTime marketing. I shouldn't be selfish and tell the staff at ISSA first. This is really about the industry, and the only way to do this and bring it to light is through you. So, do you mind if I grab something real quick?
All right, go for it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. I'm going to show you the big unveil. Like this is
That's just a box, Brant. That's just a box.
It's just a box, but I've seen so many of these TikTok videos where people do this with their Jordans, and I said that doesn't really matter. So
If you pull a shoe out of that box, I'm upset.
Can you see this? I mean, like unbelievable. I mean, Jeff, this is so beautiful.
Oh
Look
my. Hold that up.
This is
That's a book. It's a book.
100th anniversary edition of the ISSA cleaning times. And you hear that?
Wait, that's not an email? That's not a digital product?
It's not. It's a hardcover book. And yeah, I gotta open it even more. Like, should I unshrink wrap this?
Now wait a second. There's wrap around it like a real book?
Yeah, it's shrink wrapped. Let me grab
Yeah, open it up for us, Brant.
Let me open this, because honestly, some really cool things, Jeff, that are going on with this book. First and foremost, as I mentioned, it's hardcover, and the whole hope in this was to pay homage to our past and look forward to the future. And we're really proud of this book. We've added some new times in there specific to industries such as residential, higher education, corrections, and the book itself, to be honest with you, has meant so much to so many. We're excited to get this out. However, I don't have the full batch yet. So this is just a sneak peek, the advanced copy. And if you guys want to take a look at this, come to the ISSA show in Vegas next week. We're going to have them in the booth for you to take a look at. But more importantly, get online, order your advanced copies now. We are going to limit the prints to just 2,000. That's it. Never to be produced ever again.
Brant, exciting news. I'm going to be at the show. I expect to hold that copy in my hands. Not that you'll give me one, but I expect to touch it. That copy right there. What else you got for us?
So Jeff, really cool. We didn't want to just have that. We wanted to add something a little more special. So can I open another box?
You know, it's your program. Go for it.
So the box is a little bigger, so I'm going to open it up back here. This one doesn't have all that fun paper, Jeff.
That's okay. What matters is what's in the box.
So everyone that gets the cleaning times book, we're going to give them one other item. We're really excited to show off the 100th anniversary, again, never to be produced again, commemorative notepad and pen. And it's also going to come with a letter. So the letter is signed by none other than John Barrett, our executive director. But we're really excited to start to get some of this stuff into the office and get it out to the industry. So for those of you that are interested, again, don't wait, because we're only going to have 2,000, and we're never going to make another copy of that limited edition again.
So Brant, for folks to get a copy of this, maybe they're not at the show, how do they order it?
ISSA.com is the place to go.
All right. Good job, Brant. See you at the show.
Thank you. We'll see you at the show, Jeff.